Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is basically a reply to my recently uploaded video on combining duplicate rows and summing values in Excel. I received a great question asking if it's possible to sum the values within the same table instead of creating a new one. While some method like SUMIF and pivot tables typically involves creating a new table or column, I will cover way to sum duplicate directly in the same table. So let's get started. To sum duplicate values directly in the same table without creating a new table or summary, you can use a combination of Excel functions. Here is a method using the COUNTIF and SUMIF function. So let's apply the formula into the cell C2 to find the total sale of each product is equal to if. Now start the count if formula. A2 to A2, fix the first occurrence by pressing F4 key, comma, select the cell A2 again, close the brackets, is equal to 1. This formula checks if it's the first occurrence of the product in the list, comma, sum if. Now select the column A, comma, select the cell A2 and now select the column B, close the bracket, comma, open and closing double quotes and close the bracket and press enter. Sum if formula sums the quantity of all occurrences of that product. Drag the formula down to fill the total sales column for all rows. This will place the total sales amount in the row of the first occurrence of each product while leaving the other rows empty. And that's all. By using this method, you can get the sum of duplicate values without creating a new table. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.